Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to delete your stickers on Instagram, in this video we are gonna guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Tap on Insta and open up the application right there. And from there you can look out for your story option in the top left and select it and select up a story first. And once you select your story, you should be finding this particular interface. You can look out for the sticker option at the top. And from there, when you go over to the space here, you'll be finding a bunch of stickers. And if you want to delete your own sticker, what you need to do is from this space right here, when you scroll down, you'll be finding a use stickers option. So you just need to tap on it, hold it up, and you'll be finding a delete option. You just need to confirm it up, and that particular story sticker will be deleted. So you just need to just go over and do so. If not this, the other thing you can do is you can go to DM, and within DM you can directly look out for your chat, and from the chat look out for the sticker option, and there usually you can find your stickers, your own stickers as well. Sometimes you can just go and look out for those, and if you have your stickers available here, you can hold it up and look out for the delete option. Just go over and do so, which is this right here. So go ahead and confirm it up right there and confirm this option right there, delete sticker, and the sticker will be deleted. So that is it everybody. If you want to delete your stickers on Instagram, this is how you do it, pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.